Thanks, handsome. I just couldn't pass you up.
Believe it or not, I never saw her in my life before. I must have overlooked something.
A very shame, sir. Most annoying. Right under me very nose.
Your nose? I'll get the car, sir.
Save him. Okay for town, Mr. Avery. How is it for you, George?
Okay.
All right. We do it again, soak number 10.
Up high, 99.
Quiet.
Do you want to move in and take a close-up at the top of the stairs? No, that was terrible. I'll make it over. Yes, sir.
We'll do it again, folks. All right. 399. Put it up. Hold it. Move that car back here. All right, hold it. Come on. Hit him out. Take it easy.
Oh, Mr. Brenzo, when you die this time, let's have less gymnastics. And don't spin like a top when you fall.
Okay, Brent. That's okay, Brent. Let's go. Come on, folks. Yeah, move that one over a little. What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? Stand back, everybody. What's the matter? Hey, Chief, call a doctor. Okay.
Come on, give me a hand. Let's get him to his dressing room.
All right.
We won't need a doctor, George. He's dead.
Dead?
Dead?